Imagine a classroom where students actively engage in learning. They collaborate, discuss, and solve real-world problems together. This is the power of group investigation and role-playing. Let's explore how these innovative pedagogical strategies change traditional education. Group investigation encourages students to work together to explore topics. It's based on the belief that learning is social. Learning happens when students interact and build knowledge together. Think of it as a collaborative research project, where inquiry is key. Role-playing adds a dynamic twist. Students step into different characters. They act out scenarios related to the material. This helps them develop empathy and communication skills. It's a safe space to explore different perspectives. Together, these methods create a rich learning environment. Let's break down the process step by step. First, in group investigation, teachers present a topic. For instance, let's say it's climate change. Students choose specific questions to investigate. This allows them to take ownership of their inquiry. Next, they work in diverse groups. Each student takes on a role. They could be the researcher, presenter, or timekeeper. This promotes shared responsibilities and accountability. Then, students create a plan. They gather data, analyze it, and prepare their findings. Throughout this phase, teachers guide them on research ethics and source evaluation. After collecting and analyzing data, they synthesize their findings. It's time to create a product, such as a presentation. This final product showcases their understanding. Finally, they present their work to peers. Feedback and reflection are essential here. Students learn to articulate their thoughts and receive constructive criticism. Now, let's explore role-playing. The first step is to design realistic scenarios. For climate change, students could role-play as activists, government officials, or scientists. Each student receives a character brief. They learn about their roles and the context. This prepares them for interactive discussions and debates. Next, students rehearse their roles. They practice presenting arguments based on their character's perspective. This rehearsal builds confidence and clarity. After enacting the role play, a structured debrief follows. Students reflect on their experiences, decisions, and outcomes. This reflection is crucial for deeper understanding. These stages are interconnected. For example, role-playing could happen early in the investigation. It helps students appreciate differing perspectives before diving into analysis. Now, let's look at a practical example. In a citizenship project, students could investigate local transport issues. They'll produce policy briefs and role-play a council meeting. This combines research with real-world applications. Group investigation develops inquiry skills while role-playing enhances empathy. Together, they create a comprehensive learning experience. When assessing these models, educators use various strategies. Rubrics articulate clear expectations for performance. Peer assessment encourages metacognition and accountability. Observation checklists provide insights into group dynamics. Regular formative feedback ensures students stay on track. It allows teachers to adapt instruction as needed. Strengths of these methods shine brightly. They encourage higher-order thinking and authentic engagement. Students practice skills like negotiation and critical evaluation in realistic settings. However, there are challenges. Some students may dominate discussions. Time and resource constraints can also arise. But with careful planning, these challenges can be managed. To round off our discussion, let's emphasize teacher competence. Effective implementation relies on well-designed tasks and clear group dynamics. Teachers should model skills such as research methods and constructive feedback. In conclusion, combining group investigation and role-playing transforms conventional learning. It fosters inquiry, collaboration, and understanding through social practice. Now, imagine your classroom filled with active learners. They're not just absorbing information but engaging deeply and meaningfully. Take action today. Integrate these methods into your teaching practices. Transform your classroom into a community of inquiry. Let's cultivate learners who act with insight and empathy in the world.